Sometimes life as a comrade can be very hard. My name is Raksha and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to teach you on how to prepare noodles. We only need 100 to 150 grams of noodles, which can either be accompanied by 2 to 3 eggs, kachumbari, or can also be eaten as raw. So today we are going to start by preparing our spices: 2 Royco cubes and 1 chili sauce, 2 to 3 tomato sauce, and 1 to 2 onions. We are going to ignite our fire. We only need 1 glass of water and wait for it to boil. Then we add our spices: 2 Royco cubes and 1 chili sauce. Then we add salt. Then our pasta. We only need 100 to 150 grams of pasta. I chose Sara pasta. Then as we prepare our onions and tomatoes for our sauce, we're going to grind our garlic, which is also not necessary. You only need some onions and tomato to prepare our tomato sauce. You see, our noodles are almost ready, so we pour it on a dish. Wait for it to cool as we prepare our sauce. We only need a little salad. 2 to 3 eggs if it's egg noodles. Onions. The onions go in. We adjust the fire. Make sure your windows are open so that the steam from the kitchen doesn't go on your clothes. We add our garlic. See, our tomato sauce is ready, so we add in our pasta goes in. Then we stir carefully for them to mix and blend together. You see that it's ready, so we lift it up. Make sure you join me on our next video, so as I teach you on how to prepare egg noodles, which also we follow also the same procedure. You see, they blend very nicely.